Did you know that it was possible to make condensed milk at home? Well, I didn't. So today, we are going to make it and see if it's worth your time. Into a heavy bottom saucepan or pot over low heat, we are going to add 2 cups of milk. Then add a 2/3 cup of white sugar and mix it all together. Once the sugar has dissolved, bring it to a simmer over medium-low heat. Let it gently simmer for 35 to 40 minutes. If you want to see me test more recipes at home so you don't have to, make sure to subscribe. This was my first attempt. As you see, once it goes dark golden, it has burnt. On my second attempt, it did not overcook, and once it reduced by half, this was the result. Mostly good with a few pieces inside. Let it cool down, then cover it and put it in the fridge. Final thoughts on the matter. If you are able to buy it from the store, that's your best bet. But if you give this a few attempts, I do think you'd be able to make it perfectly at home. Let me know in the comments below if you try making it at home and how it turned out.